Today we're doing a Pineapple Bronx. Welcome to the Bronx. Start off with 1 part Italian vermouth. I was going to be doing this elsewhere, so I have Italian vermouth in this little flask boy. Then 1 part pineapple juice. Ooh. And then 6 parts gin. Woo! Give me a strong boy. Hopefully it's good. Seems real ginny. With sweet vermouth and pineapple juice, this might be like a little bit, sweeter. You gotta do some ice. Shake that baby up. Oh yeah, really nice and cold. Shaking them around. And you serve it over ice, so I'm just gonna pour this into cups. Oh. I thought that the vermouth would do more to make this brown, but turns out it's not that brown. Oh no. Alright, Pineapple Bronx, baby.
Nope. Maybe I just don't have a good palate because this is rough.
Yeah, it's a little... It takes away the gin flavor almost entirely, though.
Ah! It's so...
Yeah, the flavors that are there aren't great.
It's kind of... It's not sour, but it is like... verging on puke flavor.
Yeah, I think it's that vermouth mixed with the citrusiness of the pineapple or whatever. Oh boy. Boy. Might add some, as usual, seltzer or more pineapple juice. Might make this better. Hard to say, but it looks pretty. It's not good. I wouldn't do it. Again, I'm definitely not doing this again for fun. Anyways, tune in next time. Like and subscribe is the thing that people say on YouTube. Peace out.